everybody, and welcome back. Today, as you can see, I'm in a whole different place and you're gonna get a whole different video. I am on my way to Decew Falls. It's in Catharines, Ontario, and I will show you what it's like. I'm going to show you my journey there, and I just want to say thank you so much, everybody, for helping me to reach my goal. We are there. We've made it. We are at 1,000 subscribers, and I just want to say thank you so much. It means everything to me. I don't know how much to express it. You know, every like, every share, every comment, everybody that hit that subscribe button, I just want to say thank you to you guys. So let's go on the journey and I'll tell you all about it. So I started my video and I thought the camera was turned on me, but it wasn't. It was turned the other way. So now I have to do it over. We have a 26-minute hike and we're gonna get it. Yes.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try.
Okay.
Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times.
So yeah, I'm on a 26-minute hike.
'Cause you never show.
And
You say you will,
for some
but
reason,
then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't worry, no. I'm turning off my mind so I get by.
like it.
I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
It's pretty nice here.
Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say
I think we should go up because down looks a little
we all
sketchy.
know that it's a
But I want to go down
lie.
because, you know,
Now
you're having the hard time.
'Cause you never show.
Nah. You still have to drive, you know.
But then you don't.
So let's try down. And if you get hard, we get right. So I can see the falls. You guys can see it, but we're almost there. 26 minutes and we have like 5 minutes to go. Look guys, we made it. Hidden treasure. Hidden treasure. Ah! Oh my god. It looks a little rough, you know, getting there, but we're gonna do it. Oh. I'm almost there, guys. Look, we're almost there. Yeah. You know, doing this because Ontario is just as beautiful, you know, it's really beautiful. Just want you guys to see that. We're almost at the falls. So, yeah. We made it! We made it! Oh my god, that was a good hike. It was pretty rough. I just went under. I don't know if you can see it, that hole right there, you see it? I just went under that instead of going over it. I got my butt like all in the mud, but I know it's worth it.
So I had this wonderful idea to go and take a nice picture for Instagram with the falls in the background and everything. And then I got a surprise. Look at my face. You can see my fear. It's a snake.
Oh, I don't know how to move. There's a snake. There's a snake. There's a snake. Oh my god. Oh my god, there's a snake.
But say, it's when I look down and see the snake head look up on me. He never lie down like how you see him lie down now, you know. Him head there almost on my foot.
Oh my god. I saw a snake. Oh, it sounded so like you have to go on the top of the trees and then like look down. We can't believe someone saw a snake. I'm gonna see. You see it? Oh my god, take a picture, take a picture. Oh my god, I just want to move. There's a snake. A huge one. There's a snake.
Honestly, I was so traumatized from that experience. I stood there for about 15 minutes, like, well, not near to the snake, but, just like on the rocks for about 10-15 minutes, just to gain my composure.
Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times.
This is where I want to live.
'Cause you never
These type of houses. Lord, bless me.
but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna
Farmhouse, right? Yeah.
get off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be
These farmhouses are on fleek. Here is how you subscribe to the channel. You click on the subscribe button. Once it's no longer red, then you have subscribed. Thank you.